Hello, and welcome to our segment of This is How to Do an Oil Change. In our last one, we did it on a truck, which is right there. This is a 2014 Jeep Compass. We are going to be doing an oil change on it. Let's get started. Now we are going to be opening the hood. It's right here. We pull it. You should see a symbol. It is right here. Now we are gonna open it with the latch. I found it. So, yellow thingy, prop. Gonna lift it up a bit, put it right there. It's good to go. This is the dipstick. You pull it out, check the oil, boom. This, the oil cap. We open up the cap, it's here, and it goes in there. Now, see, this is your pinch weld, right here, it's metal. This is where you wanna put the jack stand. This is not where you wanna jack it up, because then if it's jacked up here, you can't put the jack stand there. You do not wanna jack it up in the middle, right there. Okay, so, on this thing, you're gonna wanna find the drain plug. It's right here, in a hole. It's on the passenger side. Oil filter is smack dab in the middle, in another hole, right here. So, I'm gonna remove drain plug. Yes, the oil plug is now being removed, and my hand is about to get doused in oil. Now, make sure, before you do this, that your car has been off for a while, so the oil does not burn you. Now here we're gonna make sure we don't cross thread it, because that would be very bad. So you put the drain plug in, tighten her up. It's good to go. Now right over here is the oil filter. You can't see it, but I can. This is the oil filter taker offer. And it goes on like so. It only spins one way, so you know you're taking it off. You can't put it on with this. You gotta put it on hand tight. You take it off with this stuff. So, gotta grab this. The camera just died, so we took the filter out, put a new battery in, but now the filter's here, so you didn't see it. So, here's the filter. Nice and dirty. Here's the new filter. Gonna need some oil, this nice rubber ring for... Now, it's very important you don't cross-thread this. Yes, put it on hand tight. Now that we're all good with removing the oil, we're going to lower the car so we can put the oil into the car. As of right now, I'm taking off this cap. As you can see, this is new oil because it is new. So, take your knuckle, just go. Make sure you have your funnel ready. Now, you're gonna want to get a paper towel or some towel form of, get a rag, paper towel, either one works perfectly. Pull out the dipstick, clean it off. Make sure you get it in the same hole. Don't put it in a different hole, that'll be bad. Now pull it out, but don't watch the end. We've checked the dipstick and there was not enough oil. So we gotta put the rest of this, there's not that much left, into good old engine. We're safe. This oil change is over. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.
Your mom's gonna like that. So. Alright, first open the hood.
I wanted to laugh so well. Now, we are going to be opening the trunk.
Rewind.
Now, we are going to be opening the front.
The frunk? What is this, a Ferrari?
If you have one of these, you're either old or lazy. Now, depending on where you want to jack it up is all up to you.
No, it's not.
Now, make sure you have your syringe.
Syringe?
We've checked the dipstick, and there's not enough oil.